There is a version of your Ford that is noticeably better than the one you are driving right now. Not a different model, not a newer year, the exact same vehicle sitting in your driveway, just unlocked, upgraded, and performing the way it was always capable of performing. The problem is that most Ford owners never find out about the upgrades that would make the biggest real-world difference, because the automotive world is full of noise. Forums argue about expensive turbo kits and suspension overhauls that cost thousands of dollars and require a professional shop. Meanwhile, the upgrades that are genuinely transformative, the ones that change how the car feels every single day, get scrolled past without a second look. That ends today. We have done the research, talked to the owners who have actually done these things, and separated the genuine gold mines from the gimmicks. These are 7 Ford upgrades that an enormous number of owners completely ignore. And every single one of them is worth your serious attention. Some cost almost nothing. Some require a small investment. All of them will make you feel like you finally woke your Ford up. Let's get into it. Upgrade number 1, a cold air intake that actually changes how your Ford breathes. The cold air intake is one of the most talked about upgrades in the automotive world, and somehow it is also one of the most ignored by everyday Ford owners who assume it is only relevant for people trying to build race cars. That assumption is wrong, and it is costing ordinary drivers one of the most noticeable and cost-effective performance upgrades available for almost any Ford on the market. Here is the fundamental problem with the intake system that came on your Ford from the factory. Ford engineers designed it under a set of competing constraints. They needed it to be quiet. They needed it to meet emissions standards across dozens of markets. They needed it to be cheap to manufacture at scale. They needed it to fit neatly into a crowded engine bay alongside dozens of other components. Performance was part of the equation, but it was never the only part. And in many cases, it was not even the primary part. The result is an intake system that functions adequately but restricts airflow more than it needs to, uses a filter that prioritizes longevity over flow, and routes air through pathways that pick up more heat than necessary before it reaches the combustion chamber. A quality cold air intake from a reputable manufacturer, brands like K&N, AFE Power, and Roush make excellent options specifically engineered for Ford applications, replaces all of that with a system designed with one priority: getting the maximum volume of cool, dense air into your engine as efficiently as possible. Cooler air is denser air, and denser air means more oxygen per combustion cycle, which means more complete combustion, which translates directly into more power and better throttle response. On a turbocharged EcoBoost engine, which feeds a large percentage of Ford's current lineup, the gains are even more pronounced because the turbocharger itself is working with better raw material from the very first stage of compression. What owners report after installing a cold air intake is not just a number on a dyno sheet. They describe the throttle feeling more immediate, more alive. They describe the engine sound changing, taking on a deeper, more mechanical breath under acceleration that makes the car feel substantially more purposeful. Fuel economy often improves modestly because the engine does not have to work as hard to achieve the same result. And the installation on most Ford models is genuinely straightforward, requiring basic hand tools and an hour of your time. For the money, there are very few upgrades that deliver more tangible, daily driving satisfaction. Upgrade number 2. Upgraded brake pads that transform your stopping confidence. This is the upgrade that nobody talks about at Cars and Coffee. And that is a shame, because swapping your brake pads is one of the highest value, most immediately noticeable changes you can make to any Ford, especially if you drive an F-150, an Explorer, or any vehicle that carries significant weight or does real work. The brake pads that came on your Ford from the factory are, by design, a compromise. They are engineered to be quiet. They are engineered to produce minimal brake dust on your wheels. They are engineered to last a certain number of miles under average driving conditions. What they are not engineered to do is give you the sharpest possible initial bite, the most consistent feel across a wide temperature range, or the best possible performance under repeated hard stops. Factory pads are adequate. Adequate is not the same as good. Upgrading to a high-performance street pad from a manufacturer like EBC, Hawk Performance, or PowerStop changes the experience in ways you feel from the very first stop sign. The initial bite, the sensation you get the instant your foot makes contact with the pedal, becomes sharper and more immediate. The pedal feel becomes more consistent and more communicative, meaning you develop a much more intuitive sense of how much stopping force you are actually applying. Under harder braking, upgraded pads resist fade far better than factory compounds, which means the 10th hard stop feels like the first one, rather than feeling soft and vague. For F-150 owners who tow trailers, haul heavy payloads, or drive in mountainous terrain, this upgrade moves from being a nice enhancement into being something genuinely important for safety. The additional thermal capacity of a performance street pad provides a meaningful margin of protection when your brakes are being asked to work harder than they were designed for under everyday assumptions. Pair the upgraded pads with a set of slotted or drilled rotors, and you have a brake system that performs in a completely different class than what rolled off the assembly line, for a fraction of the cost of other performance upgrades. Upgrade number 3, a tune that wakes up your EcoBoost engine. If your Ford has an EcoBoost engine under the hood, and if it was built in the last decade, there is a very good chance it does, then the single most impactful performance upgrade available to you is almost certainly one that the majority of owners never seriously consider. It is an ECU tune, and what it does is unlock the performance that Ford's own engineers built into your engine, but deliberately left on the table. Here is something the automotive industry does not advertise loudly. Ford engineers who designed the EcoBoost platform built it with significant performance headroom. The engine is physically capable of producing more power, more torque, and better throttle response than the factory calibration allows. The factory tune is conservative by design. It is optimized for warranty considerations, for emissions compliance across dozens of regulatory environments, for longevity under the broadest possible range of real-world use cases, and for fuel economy ratings that look good on a sticker. All of these considerations push the tune toward conservative. A professional tune from a reputable company like Livernois Motorsports, SCT, or Mountoon, companies that specialize specifically in Ford applications and have tested extensively on the exact engines found in your vehicle, recalibrates the engine management system to operate closer to the engine's actual capability. Ignition timing is optimized, boost pressure is adjusted, fuel delivery is refined, shift points on automatic transmissions are remapped for better response. The result on a turbocharged EcoBoost engine can be genuinely dramatic. Many owners report gains in the range of 30 to 50 horsepower and a similar or larger increase in torque, along with a throttle response transformation that makes the engine feel like it has been completely replaced. What makes this upgrade particularly remarkable is that none of what the tune is asking the engine to do is outside the engine's designed capability. You're not pushing the hardware beyond its limits. You are simply telling the hardware to operate at the level it was actually built to handle, rather than the artificially limited level the factory calibration set. For EcoBoost owners who feel like their engine is always just a little sluggish, like the throttle is always just a little reluctant, a professional tune is the answer they have been looking for. Upgrade number 4, tonneau covers for F-150 owners that do more than you think. If you own a Ford F-150 or any pickup in the Ford truck lineup and you do not have a tonneau cover on your bed, you are leaving money on the table at the fuel pump every single time you drive. That is not an exaggeration. It is aerodynamics, and the physics are straightforward. An open truck bed is an enormous aerodynamic liability. At highway speeds, an uncovered bed acts like a parachute, trapping air and creating massive drag that your engine has to overcome constantly. Studies and real-world testing have shown that a quality tonneau cover can improve highway fuel economy by several percentage points. On a vehicle that you are driving tens of thousands of miles per year, that adds up to real money. Not theoretical money, actual fuel savings that show up at the pump week after week. But the fuel economy argument, as compelling as it is actually not even the most overlooked benefit of a quality tonneau cover. The security and weather protection it provides for your cargo is equally significant. A soft roll-up cover keeps your tools, equipment, and personal items out of sight and protected from rain, which matters enormously if you regularly haul anything that can be damaged by moisture or that you would prefer not to advertise to every parking lot you pull into. Hard-folding covers from manufacturers like Backflip, Retrax Pro, and Xtang take this further, providing a rigid, lockable surface that requires serious effort to breach and that can support significant weight on top, meaning you can stand on it to reach equipment in the front of the bed or strap additional cargo on the surface itself. The installation on most tonneau covers is tool-free or requires only basic hand tools, and modern designs are engineered to work seamlessly with your tailgate and bedstake pockets without drilling. Ford owners who add a quality hard tonneau cover consistently describe it as one of the purchases they wish they had made the moment they drove off the lot, because the combination of fuel savings, security, weather protection, and the clean visual appearance it gives the truck adds up to a genuinely transformative ownership experience. Upgrade number 5. LED lighting. Upgrades that make a real safety difference. Modern Ford vehicles come from the factory with increasingly capable lighting, but there remains a significant gap between what the factory provides and what is actually available. And that gap has real consequences for how well you can see and how well others can see you in low light conditions. If your Ford was built before the widespread adoption of LED and adaptive headlight systems, or if your current trim level did not include the premium lighting package, your headlights may be performing at a level that is frankly inadequate by current standards. Halogen headlights, which remain common on base trim levels across many Ford models, produce a warm yellowish light that covers a limited field and fades significantly at distance. Upgrading to a quality LED conversion kit, or better yet, if your housing supports it, to a properly engineered projector LED system, produces a whiter, brighter, more evenly distributed beam that reveals hazards, road markings, and obstacles substantially earlier and more clearly. The difference becomes most obvious on dark rural roads where there are no streetlights, and the only thing between you and a deer, a pothole, or a cyclist is what your headlights can show you. Owners who make this upgrade almost universally describe the experience as feeling like they have been driving with their eyes half closed and finally opened them all the way. The road simply looks different, more defined, more detailed, more manageable. Beyond headlights, the interior LED upgrade is another area that Ford owners overlook consistently. Replacing the factory incandescent dome lights, map lights, cargo area lights, and footwell lights with LED equivalents is an inexpensive process that results in a cabin that feels noticeably more modern, cleaner, and higher quality. The light is wider and brighter, which makes finding things in the car at night easier, and the lower power draw means slightly less drain on your electrical system. LED underbody accent lighting, available as a relatively inexpensive add-on for enthusiasts who want it, transforms the visual presence of the truck or SUV at night in a way that photographs and videos genuinely cannot capture accurately. You have to see it to understand the impact. Upgrade number 6. Leveling kits and lift kits that change your F-150's entire character. The factory stance of most Ford F-150s and Ford trucks in general has a slight nose-down rake built in from the factory. Ford does this deliberately. It is designed to create a level stance once the truck is loaded with cargo or connected to a trailer. It makes engineering sense. It does not necessarily make visual or practical sense for owners who run their trucks unloaded the vast majority of the time. A leveling kit is one of the most ignored and most immediately rewarding upgrades available to Ford truck owners. It is exactly what the name describes: a set of precision-machined spacers that fit between the front suspension components and the frame, lifting the front of the truck until it sits level with the rear. The result is a transformation in the visual stance of the truck that is genuinely striking. The factory rake disappears. The truck looks wider, more aggressive, more planted, and more commanding from every angle. It looks the way most people picture a truck looking when they think about trucks. Beyond the aesthetics, leveling the truck opens up the ability to run larger tires under the front fenders without rubbing or interference. And larger tires are the gateway to a fundamentally different driving experience on gravel roads, light trails, and the kind of mixed terrain that F-150 owners encounter regularly. A quality leveling kit from a manufacturer like Rough Country, ReadyLift, or BDS Suspension will also maintain factory alignment geometry properly, meaning your tire wear and handling behavior stay within normal parameters. Budget kits that do not account for geometry changes are worth avoiding for exactly this reason. For owners who want more than a level stance, a modest 2 to 4 inch suspension lift takes the truck into a completely different category of capability and presence. Paired with all-terrain tires, a properly installed lift transforms an everyday F-150 into a vehicle that can handle situations the factory truck would have been cautious about, while maintaining full highway manners and ride quality that remains comfortable for daily driving. This is the upgrade that people always say they wish they had done sooner. Upgrade number 7. An exhaust upgrade that makes your Ford sound like it means business. we are saving what might be the most emotionally satisfying upgrade for last. And that is intentional, because an exhaust upgrade is the one modification that makes you fall back in love with your Ford every single time you start the engine. Every single time. The factory exhaust system on most Ford vehicles is designed with noise suppression as a primary objective. Ford's acoustic engineers work hard to keep cabin noise within targets that satisfy the broadest possible customer base, which means erring on the side of quiet. The result is that even genuinely powerful engines, the 5.0 Coyote 5.8 in the F-150 and Mustang, the EcoBoost 4-cylinder, the 2.7-liter twin-turbo, are effectively muzzled from the factory. The sound you hear at idle and under acceleration is a softened, filtered version of what that engine is actually generating mechanically. What it actually sounds like is considerably more impressive. An aftermarket exhaust system, whether a full catback replacement or a high-flow axle-back system for owners who want to preserve the front sections, removes the most restrictive muffling components and replaces them with units that allow the engine's natural voice to come through with substantially less suppression. On a Mustang GT with a 5.0, the result is a deep baritone V8 bark under acceleration that stops people on the sidewalk. On an F-150 with the 5.0, the truck takes on a muscular, authoritative sound that matches the visual presence of the vehicle. Even on EcoBoost 4-cylinder applications, the right exhaust transforms a somewhat anonymous buzzing sound into something with texture, depth, and character. Quality manufacturers like Borla, Corsa, Flowmaster, and MagnaFlow make exhaust systems specifically engineered for Ford applications, meaning the fitment is precise, the sound is tuned rather than just loud, and the performance gains from improved exhaust flow are real. A good exhaust is not just louder than the factory system, it is better in every measurable way. Flow improves, back pressure decreases, the engine can breathe out as freely as a cold air intake helps it breathe in. And the sound is the thing. When you press the accelerator on a Ford with a properly tuned aftermarket exhaust and hear that engine come to life the way it was always meant to sound, you understand immediately why this upgrade belongs at the top of every Ford owner's list. The bottom line: 7 upgrades. Every single one of them ignored by the majority of Ford owners who drive past their full potential every single day. From the cold air intake that changes how the engine breathes, to the exhaust that finally lets the engine speak, to the tune that removes the artificial ceiling on your EcoBoost's performance, to the leveling kit that transforms the entire character and stance of your truck. These are the gold mines that the loudest corners of the automotive internet consistently walk right past. Here is what connects all 7 of them. None of them are about changing what your Ford fundamentally is. They are about letting your Ford be what it was always capable of being. Ford's engineers are talented people working inside constraints of cost, regulation, and mass market compromise. When you upgrade these systems, you are not correcting mistakes. You are removing compromises that were never personal to your specific situation. You are making the vehicle that Ford built you better for the life you actually live. Start with whichever upgrade fits your budget and your priorities right now. Do one. Feel the difference. Then come back for the next one. Every Ford owner who goes down this road says the same thing about the experience. They just wish they had started sooner. Subscribe so you do not miss what we cover next. Drop your Ford model in the comments and tell us which of these 7 you are planning to do first. And as always, drive it like you mean it.